Come with me as I move my daughter into the University of Miami. She is going to be going here for marine biology. My two best friends and her godmothers came down and helped me move her in. This is their 100-year anniversary at the university. It's a gorgeous, beautiful campus. This is the check-in center where all the students have to check in to get their IDs, get their information they need for the next 4 years. So beautiful. And then we did some shopping while we were there. We went to Costco. We went to At Home. At Home was going out of business. This is us shopping at IKEA, getting her some goodies for her dorm room. The dorm room came out so cute. And then this is us leaving Costco. Thank you guys. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Your shoes too. I love everybody's shoes. I love all the Adidas. Yeah. It's like Samos. Yes.
Taking it like I'm you.